following statements. So all these statements are wrong or need something to be tweaked. Now we need to read this very carefully. Come on, students. Surgical method of contraception prevents gamete formation. Now, is this true? Ask yourself. Read it again. Surgical method of contraception prevents gamete formation. You feel this answer is right. This statement is right. But here, the answer should be, or the statement should be, surgical method of contraception prevent gamete transportation and not formation. So this word here is important and thereby prevent conception. Okay, now point number 2 or statement number 2. All sexually transmitted diseases are completely curable. Now AIDS and hepatitis B, these are also sexually transmitted diseases. Are they completely curable? No. So, the answer is all sexually transmitted diseases are not completely curable. Point C. Oral pills are very popular contraceptive among rural women. This statement is almost correct. But the word rural over here means village. Now in village, people do have contraceptive pills, but it is not very common. So the answer here should be oral pills are very popular contraceptive amongst city women or urban women. D. An ET technique. Embryo are always transferred into uterus. Now what are ET techniques? ET techniques is embryo transfer. Here, the word always is not correct. Now an embryo can be transferred into the fallopian tube at the stage of blastomere, and the stages beyond blastomere are placed directly into the uterus. So you're supposed to write, in ET techniques, embryo with up to 8 blastomere are transferred into fallopian tubes, and embryos with more than 8 blastomeres are transferred into the uterus. So read the statements very, very carefully.